Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you can set the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the volume of the ringtone, swipe this dot to the left or to the right side here on this volume panel by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just press the up or down volume button. But first, be sure that here in advanced settings, click to the volume button function. You have selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. If you got selected the media, just switch it to the ringtone, and after that, just by using with the volume buttons, you can change the ringtone volume of your device. And also you can do it by the third way. Just swipe up or down this volume panel with your finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.